Alzheimer's disease is the most common cause of dementia, although many people have more than one type. This is known as mixed dementia. It is a progressive, irreversible disease that affects memory, cognitive skills, emotions, mood, and behaviour. It is not known why people get Alzheimer's disease, but we know that the risks increase with age. There are also some rare forms of genetic Alzheimer's disease. A healthy brain has a complex system of brain cells called neurons which communicate with each other in order for the brain to function. Alzheimer's disease damages the connections between brain cells, causing them to die, impacting on the brain's ability to deliver messages. Alzheimer's disease is characterised by abnormal deposits of amyloid protein outside the brain cells, which accumulate to form plaques. Tau proteins also accumulate inside the brain cells, forming neurofibrillary tangles. People with Alzheimer's disease also have a reduced level of acetylcholine, an important chemical called a neurotransmitter for memory. It is believed that this process can start around 20 years before the first symptoms of memory loss appear. Short-term memory loss is often the very first sign of Alzheimer's disease. The disease progresses to different parts of the brain, causing difficulties with finding the right words and speech. There may be changes in the person's insight, mood, and personality, as well as their ability to organise things. They may lose interest in activities. Attention, senses, and the ability to carry out routine tasks can be affected. Hallucinations can also occur. Eventually, long-term memories may be lost and heart rate and breathing can be disrupted.
Symptoms of Alzheimer's disease: short-term memory loss, difficulties with finding the right words and speech, changes in the person's insight, mood, and personality, reduced attention span, changes in senses. Symptoms affecting everyday activities: reduced ability to organise things, loss of interest in activities, difficulties with routine tasks. Eventually, as Alzheimer's disease progresses, hallucinations may occur, long-term memory may be lost, heart rate and breathing may be disrupted.
At present, we don't know how to prevent or cure Alzheimer's disease. There are medications available to provide temporary relief of symptoms for some people for a short period. The rate of progression varies from person to person, depending on other health issues and age. The average length of time a person lives with dementia due to Alzheimer's disease is 7 to 10 years, but there's variation around that average.
Alzheimer's disease is progressive. There is no cure. It causes damage to brain cells. Changes occur in memory, thinking, behaviour and activities of daily living. It is characterised by plaques and tangles that reduce neurotransmission between cells.